I am making a cream cheese strawberry fudge. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my cream cheese melting chips. Now these are only 8 ounces, so you'll need a bag and a half. They are cream cheese. You will need 2 bags. So I'm going to give this a try with 2 bags instead of 3. So that's 2.5 cups of chips. Now, I'm making up this recipe from a new cookbook. 200 candy and fudge recipes that is hopefully coming out in September, October of 2026. You can sign up here to get notifications when I have it sent to the printers. We will start taking orders when it's sent to the printers. And you can click the QR code or go to the link in the description below. Okay, first we're going to melt this together. Okay, my bowl is pretty hot, so I'm gonna let the residual heat finish heating it up. All right, so I got my parchment here. Going to line my pan. I'm going to melt my jam. Now you can use any flavor jam you want. This is strawberry, but you could use raspberry, blueberry, mixed berry, any kind of jam you want. You could probably use orange and make like a dreamsicle type jam. Okay, I'm gonna melt this. I mean a dreamsicle type fudge, not jam. Okay, so while that's melting, I'm going to put this in my pan. All right, if you want more fudge recipes, my Dining on a Dime Volume 2 has all of my 2-ingredient fudge recipes with the variations. The 2 ingredients is the chips and the sweetened condensed milk is the base recipe, and then you can add in from there. You can add butter, you can add any type of flavorings you want. Okay, so we got that in, and got my jelly jam, not quite melted. Get that melted here. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread all over. Okay. Then I'm going to take a spoon and we're going to swirl it in. Ooh, wow, this cream cheese one sets up a lot quicker than the regular white. So this would probably be easier to mix in the bowl, swirl it in the bowl. Don't mix it, just swirl it. Oh, yum. Okay, we're gonna let that set up and see if this test recipe works. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right, I got my strawberry cheesecake here. I need to start double lining my pans, I guess. Okay, now, not sure if this worked. Looks yummy. Love the swirl. Slightly soft though. What's funny is some of these add-ins work really well. Like syrup and jam. Some of them don't. I haven't figured out the common denominator between the ones that work and the ones that don't. There's a piece. Well, it tastes really good. It's on the slightly soft side, but I think this is a keeper. Maybe use 3 cups instead of 2 cups if you want. No, this is a keeper, 100%. This is really, really delicious.